if they have, the number of clients is few. All right? I don't know whether you'll be given copies of the presentation because the details are there. So I don't need to discuss each one of them. But finally, let's take a look. How many BREX users are there at present? Right now, we already have 497 local government units who are our partners out of the about 1,600 municipalities and cities. So this is all over the country. I think some of you are already BREX users. And then we have 43 SM business centers using BREX. We also have about 26 travel agencies who are accredited by DFA. NEDA, Cebu Regional Office, is one of our BREX users. If you have time, when you see me again, I will tell you the whole story about the NEDA Cebu Regional Office BREX, but not today. We also have 4 NSO provincial offices that have BREX. Of course, we give priority to local government units, but sometimes the LGUs have other priorities. So, since the public needs the documents, we allow our provincial office. We have allowed 4 of our provincial offices to operate with the BREX. So that's it. If you would like to have more information, you can write to NSO or send an email message to us, or go to your nearest regional NSO regional office or provincial office to say that you're interested in becoming a BREX partner of NSO. So thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po, Administrator. Are there questions that you would like to bring up? So yung question natin, how do you start on the BREX or ask information on the BREX? Nasagot na yon ni Administrator. Punta kayo sa pinakamalapit na provincial or regional office of the National Statistics Office.
That's it, yeah.
Kailangan pang mag-birth certificate. At
bakit kailangan?
Bakit na nag-expire yung birth certificate?
Wala pong expiration yung birth certificate. In fact, some people have a collection of birth certificates in different colors. So, permanent record yun. Kaya lang, some users of the certificates would like to have fresh copies because of a few of our countrymen who go to recto instead of going to the
Actually, that was really our question. Now, why is it that there's an expiration to an NSO certified birth certificate? Like for instance, mga 1 year lang, ganyan. Tapos, kasi the other week, we applied for a visa for Japan. Sila talaga, very particular sila. Sabi nila, expired na yung NSO birth certificate mo. Sabi namin, is it because may mga nagpapalit ng gender or what? Baka yun yung rason. Pinanganak ang babae, ngayon lalaki ka na, or pinanganak ang lalaki, ngayon babae ka na. I don't know.
Yes. There's no expiration of the birth certificate, but some users of the certificates like embassies, DFA, and mainly those two, yung DFA tsaka yung embassies, they prefer fresh copies. Fresh meaning issued in the last 6 months, because nga meron tayong mga kababayan na masyadong magaling na tinatamper yung kanilang documents. So, iilan lang naman yan, pero apektado tayong lahat. Ngayon, we have already made some agreements with U.S. Embassy and Australian Embassy. When you apply for a visa, you need to submit documents, isn't it? So you make the request in our census service outlet in Pasay or through internet. Then these documents will be sent automatically to the embassy. You don't need to get it back and bring it to the embassy. What we will do for you is to send it to the embassy directly. So, follow up nyo na lang sa embassy kung nandun na. So far, kasi this is covered by agreements, so far it's U.S. Embassy and Australian Embassy. We are still talking with the others. But this is on their initiative, not on ours. We do not market our services.
Curiosity question po. Can you change gender in the birth certificate?
There's a new law, Republic Act 10172, which allows the correction nito ha. Babae ka naman talaga, kaya lang naisulat doon lalaki, and vice versa. No? So para makorek yun, yung entry doon sa birth certificate, dati-rate, pupunta ka sa korte, mag-file ka ng petition, tatagal yun ng mga 6 months to more than 1 year, and magastos. So, nagpapasalamat kami sa Kongreso dahil pinasa nila yung Republic Act 10172 na nagbibigay na ng daan para yung correction na yun through administrative means na lang. Magfa-file kayo ng petition dun sa local civil registrar at maglalakip kayo ng medical certificate from an accredited government physician na nagsasabing, babae, ito. At isa pa yung certification na hindi nag-undergo ng sex change. Yun naman. Kasi kung nag-undergo ng sex change, hindi papayagan na ma-correct yun. Hindi na correction yun, change na yun. Kasama rin dito yung nagkamali yung month at saka yung date dun sa birthday. Yung spelling dati na may Republic Act 9048, pupunta na lang kayo sa munisipyo, sa local civil registry office, para mag-file ng petition for correction of clerical error.
Salamat po. Are there other questions? Lani?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Yung
Good
tanong ko
afternoon.
po, medyo personal po. Kasi yung my son was applying for a passport. Yung birth certificate po niya was issued by NSO. Yung dati na sineserox po na from NSO. Kaya lang yung problema, it was blurred yung pagka-type. So he was referred back kasi he was born in Catanduanes when I was assigned there. He was
Yes.
referred back to the civil registry. Ganun po ba yung procedure ninyo?
Yes.
Na kailangan po, kasi po yung, I have a copy of the original birth certificate from Catanduanes. But the problem is, blurred talaga po. And we had it Xerox, yung original talaga. Ganon din yung lumabas dun sa NSO. So ngayon, hindi tinatanggap ng DFA. So they are referring, when we went back to NSO, they were referring us back to the local civil registry of Catanduanes.
Yes.
So bakit po ganon?
Noon dati po kasi, yung kopyang binibigay sa NSO, yung pang-apat na kopya ng carbon. Can you imagine the fourth carbon copy of a document? Sumasabog na yon, di ba? So, kaya nag-develop kami ng computer-aided printing of the entries in the document. So now, when you register a birth, a marriage, or you can use the computer to prepare the document, and each one will be original. Now, for the case of your son, what we can do for you is to contact Catanduanes. If you can go to my office and we can contact Catanduanes, ask them to send a clearer copy to us.
Kasi po, ang tingin ko po yung diferensya yung typewriter Kasi noong pang bagang mga panahon,
Opo.
pag hindi clear yung yung ink ng typewriter, ganun yung lumalabas.
Opo.
Kasi, di po ba yung binibigay sa sa amin, sa parent, first copy ba yun o second
Yes,
copy?
first copy.
Ganun pa rin po yung yung appearance. So, yun dun po ako
Ganun.
nung
Maano din.
nag-wonder.